Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REALME 14X. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now. And now you can turn notifications from this app, or you can click not now again. And here you can install extensions into your browser, or you can just click start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.